Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by installing the photo app you want to use, then switching to Shortcuts to build the bridge. Open Shortcuts, give it Photos permission, and confirm the new app is installed and signed in. Once done, allow Shortcuts to run untrusted shortcuts if Apple requires it, because this method relies on a custom shortcut to hand images to the other app. Don't stop at installation. Permissions are the first actionable step that makes everything else possible. Now build the shortcut. Create a new shortcut that accepts images from the share sheet, then add the action that opens the selected image in your chosen app. Use Open App or a direct open in action, and pick the third-party photo app. Configure the shortcut to show in the share sheet and limit accepted input to images so it appears when you tap Share inside Photos. This middle step wires Photos to call the other app on demand. To use it, open Photos, select one or multiple images, tap Share, then pick your new shortcut which will hand the images to the third-party app. You can add the shortcut to your home screen or Shortcuts widget for one-tap access, making it feel like a default. If the shortcut doesn't appear in Share Sheet, go back to Shortcut Settings and ensure Show in Share Sheet is on, then check Privacy Photos for permission. Granting access usually fixes visibility problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.